So good day everyone. So I'm back again for another video. So today's video we will discuss about a selection sort algorithm and merge sort algorithm. So when you say sorting, it's all about arranging array. So this kaning import Java that you tell I meaning I am importing a whole package, and if you importing a single package you have to change kaning the asterisk and sign into a scanner. So this program we are going implement a user input. So we have a public class doing a sorting. So we will go to our main class, which is this one, public static void main. So we create a scanner. So scanner is to input used to input the user, so so that the user can input. So system.out in enter the size of the array. So we will enter the size of the array. So in size is equals to scanner next end. So ours, we will input size for array. So 3 to the size for array 3. So that is our size of the array. So next is we will print that. Then int array is equals to new in size. So new in size, which is our size is 3. So system.out print and enter 3 unsorted elements. So we will enter 3 unsorted elements. So we have 4 loops here. So int I is equals to 0. So our I is equals to 0. We have statement here that is less than size. So the value of our I is 3. I is 0. Then our value of our size is 3. So 0 is less than 3 is true. So we have array I, which is 0. That is our index. Index 0. Uh, first element. So our first element is our index 0. So after that, our I is incremented here. So 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. So our value of our I for now is 1. So 1 is less than 3. So instead to the process of our 0 index. So array I is our array I for now is 1 na. 1. So index 1 is equals to our next array, which is our next elements, which is atom input is our index 0 is we have a value of 1. Our index 1 we have the value of 8, and our index 2 we have the value of 2. So after the after that we can we have segment through. So our I is 1. Then increment the value of 1 into 2. So I plus plus or 1 plus plus is equals to 2. Same process until it becomes false. For example, 3 is less than 3. So the answer is false. So let's proceed about under in this line of code. So system not out print, he will print that. So system not out print elements before sorting. So elements before sorting, this is name for int num, so array. So int num is this atong our elements nga that our that we input. So system dot out print num plus. We didn't have an wa may in dire, so ang pagkuhanan ang output na is straight ra. Straight like this. Ni elements before sorting. So first index 0 is kani, index 0 is 1, index 1 is 8 and index 2 is 2. So this is our elements before sorting. And we print, so since not on print, so here we have selection sort. So the selection sort is called out. Then the selection sort method is will triggered. So here the selection sort is triggered because he called out in the main method. So int array, so our array is 6 I 3. So for int we have the statement here. So int I is equal 0. So our I value of our I is 0. Then less than array length, which is our array length is 3. So we have negative 1 or minus 1. So indic our so 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So int minimum index equals I. So I 0 less than 2 is true. So we proceed here for our other for loops. So int g equals I plus 1. So our g is 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Then our array length is 3. So 1 less than 3 is true. So down ta sa atong if statement. So array g is less than array minimum index. So ang array g which is 0 ay 1. So less than array minimum index, which is ang atong minimum index is 1. Ani, this is our minimum index. This element 1 or index 0 is the value of 1. So after that, the minimum index equals j. So our minimum index is 1. So in temp is equals array minimum index is equals to array I is equals to temp. So our temp for now is of 1, which is that is our minimum index, which is have the value of 1. So value of 1 index 0, we have a value of 1. So our same process until it falls statement. So after that we will go back to our main method, is here. So sorted elements using selection sort. So after that we discuss about the block of code nga on how can we on how the sort elements using selection sort. So after our elements A here is unsorted. So by using sort method, we have uh, output here. So 1 to 8. So sorted na siya nga element. So we are done about sa selection sort. So we will proceed about sa on sorted elements using merge sort. So here the line block of code here. So we have merge sort method or merge sort. So we will call out the merge sort method. So the merge sort method we will trigger here. So public static void merge sort int array, int l, int r, or int left or int right. If we have statement here, if l is less than r, so we have a value of left and r. So our left is 1, and then our right is 2. So 1 is less than 2 is true. So we will proceed here. So int m equals l plus open parenthesis r minus l close parenthesis divided by 2. So merge sort array l m.
So merge sort array m plus 1r. So our three unsorted elements is 1, 8, 2. So we will divide it by 2. So we have three elements. So our left is 1, our our right is 2, and then our middle is 8. So after that, we'll find the value which is minimum or lowest. So in left is the value of left is 1. So it is the minimum element which is 1. So our right is 2 and our mid is 8. So we will merge that 8 and 2 so that we will find our we will compare it to on which element has the lowest value or lowest value. So 8 and 2. So our 2 is lowest and ang our 8 is largest. So we will merge it, and our mid now is 2 and our right is 8. So we come up to this output which is 1 to 8 by using merge sort. So after that that we done here, we will go back to our main method which is here. So our sorted elements using merge sort is 1 to 8 here. This our element, the element using merge sort. Sorted na siya, sorted. So after that we are done to our discussion. So thank you for listening, and thank you for here. So please comment, like, share, subscribe. That's all for our discussion, which is sorted elements using selection sort and merge sort. Thank you.